Alright everyone, so I'm taking this video pretty much to give you a rundown of how the Breville coffee maker goes. Obviously you get the power button over here, so let me turn her off real quick just to show you. Turn her back on, and this is what's going to happen when she's all turned on, ready to go. I already had her ready and everything. Lights are on, as you can see. Both lights need to be on. There's a cool little cup I like. It happens to fit perfectly under here as opposed to these little ones, which are good, but they're like a little pain in the ass for me. So she makes a little bit of noise when turning her on. You got the espresso, everything ready to go for, as you can see. Basically, like I said, a tutorial of how to work this cool ass Breville coffee maker. I think this thing is really cool. Now also make sure that your water level is all the way up. You may not use it all, but it's better to be safe than sorry. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour some water in. Nice filter water. Get it filled up as much as possible. Close the lid on the back. Also, what I'm going to do now, go ahead and turn the knob just to the right. It's so cool. It'll do this thing all its own and stop at an excellent level of where the coffee should go. What I'm going to do now is go ahead and just pour milk into my cup over here, because we're going to foam that in a minute. But as you can see, coming out looking delicious. She's filling up and looking oh so good. All that espresso deliciousness just coming down right now. And as soon as she's done, we'll go ahead and get the steamed milk going. Takes us a little bit, but again, what I like is that once it gets to an acceptable level that it already knows, it automatically stops. And there's the acceptable level. When it's there, just right back to the middle. Now she's ready to go for the next stop, the next stage in doing the milk. Turn to the right. Gets the steam activated. Get your cup on here because a little bit of water will come out. I'll put it down in there really nicely. And then we're going to cut it off. This way I can go ahead and get this back. You don't know, a lot of steam comes up. That's the way it is. Go ahead and pour it in. I like getting that nice fat layer of milk in there. Put it back over the steam. Get the rest of the milk in here. Foam it up real nice. I'm going to put it down for just a minute. All done. That's the last bit. That's going to go a little foamy right on top as I like her. Isn't that looking all beautiful? Now, just to the side, my milk and everything's still out. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of sugar right around the top as I like. And just to show you how I like to do it, just a little bit right there. And to me it gives a nice little crunch, if you will, when you're kind of biting down it right before. And that's the coffee. Cheers.